Can I find out who the anonymous reporter is that filed the child abuse or child neglect allegation to DCF in Massachusetts? The anonymous reporter who files with DCF does not provide information to DCF, and they're hiding behind or trying to obscure their identity. So trying to find out who they are, in theory, may not happen. However, there's reality. And reality is that in some instances, you can find out who it is that filed against you, even if they're anonymous. How does that occur? Very simply put. For an example, somebody living in Massachusetts hasn't been down to Florida in 10 years, calls the police in Florida for a well-being check on a child in Florida. That shows up on what's called a TARIT tape, which is public information. And the police go out and they go do a well-check visit on the child. The police aren't very happy because they'd rather be somewhere else. One of them is a hoax call or someone else is in trouble. And the police can't respond to that other person that's in trouble because they're at this hoax call to do a well-child checkup. What you can do is go to the police station and get a copy of the TARIT tape that reported the address. And that's one way, because that voice on the machine TARIT tape recording may be indeed identifiable. In another case I had a sister and a mother profusely claim they had nothing to do with DCF, and the allegation was filed anonymously. But yet, when we received the information from the police report, it was clearly identifiable and stated in the police report that the mother and the sister had filed against my client with DCF. They report that they had abused or neglected their children, which was blatantly false, and they denied it till the sky fell, but we caught them red-handed. So there are times where you can find out, even though the person's anonymous, who filed against you in Massachusetts.